everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor, AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on types of beer. Objectives of this topic. At the end of this topic, students will be able to learn to identify the various types of beer. They can also study about the different beer and they can also know more about various faults in beer. Beer is an alcoholic drink obtained from fermented brew of barley malt. It is an also alcoholic drink made from yeast fermented malt flavored with hops. The average alcoholic strength of beer is 4%. The basic styles of beer are ale and lager beer, which are available in varying alcoholic strength. Beers are available in the market as a bottle, can, and draught beer. Beer. As beer, it is a generally top fermented beer. Ale is a type of beer brewed using a warm fermentation method resulting in a sweet, full-bodied with a fruity taste. Here we will talk about the other wines which is comes under the top fermented beer, that means under the ales beer. Now what is barley wine? Barley wine, it is a dark fruity beer with high alcoholic content which ranges from 6 to 11% by volume. Of fermented beer is bitter. It is a copper colored draught ale beer with predominant hop layer which result in bitter taste. You can see here in this picture the color of the bitter beer. Brown beer. It is dark brown, sweet beer, low in alcohol percentage. So you can see here in this picture by the name itself the color will be a dark brown color and the beer will be little bit sweet in taste. Mild beer. It is lightly hopped, faintly sweet beer which is slightly weaker and darker than bitter ale beer. This beer generally contains 3% of alcohol by volume, were meant for a drinking in a large quantities by manual workers. So such kind of beer generally it is used in a where the more number of peoples are there then the we can have the such kind of mild beer. A very dark beer made with a high proportion of malt and hops. The world's most famous stout is Guinness. Now the stout is a dark and it has a different variation also including a dry stout, oatmeal stout, milk stout and imperial stout. Scotch ale. It is a very strong, often extremely dark malt accented beer from Scotland. Porter beer. Since this ale is popular amongst the potters of Dublin and London, it is called porter. It is brewed from charred malt which contributes bitter taste and dark color. Next is IPA, that means India Pale Ale. It has a higher alcoholic strength with more hoppy flavor. Beer. This beer is produced under the close supervision of Trappist monks who own 8 breweries, 6 in Belgium and 1 each in Netherlands and Germany. It is a strong beer where the 6 to 12% alcohol by volume is there and it is manufactured in the breweries. With the term used by Belgian Trappist breweries to refer to the strongest blonde beer. It is occasionally spiced with coriander and the alcohol range is 8 to 10% alcohol by volume. Westmalle from Belgium is an example of triple beer. Here is the image of triple beer. Next is button beer, a strong, dark draught beer, malt or spice. It is popular during the winter. Is lager beer, which is also called as bottom fermented beer. In this beer, we will first talk about bock beer. What is bock beer? It is a strong beer which is from Germany. In the USA, it is darker and sweeter. Belgian bock is less alcoholic. And the next one is Doppelbock. Doppelbock, it is an extra strong beer from Germany. Of Bock and Doppelbock beer. Ice beer. It is a strong beer. The strength is obtained by freezing since the water freezes before alcohol. The ice crystals are removed to concentrate the beer. With the name also you come to know ice beer. Apartment beer. It is a blonde beer with lightly hopped flavor. Kenner. It is a dark brown malty beer with alcoholic. The beer is produced using water taken from deep wells within the city of Munich, which is drawn through a layers of slate formed millions of years ago. The water is mixed with coarsely ground malted cereal, and this produces a mash that is stirred constantly while being heated to a different temperature levels. Next is Pilsner. It is a pale gold beer originated in Pilsner, Czech Republic. It is most imitated of all beer styles. Here is the image of Munchener and Pilsner beer. Beer is Vienna. It is a medium dark or amber red lager originally produced in Vienna. Brewers use the term Vienna malt to indicate cleaning malt to amber red color. This style is no more associated with the city. This beer is Märzenbier. It means March in German. Beer brewed in March and stored in caves before the summer. Märzenbier has malty aroma, amber red, Vienna style, more than 5.5% alcohol by volume. Is Rauch beer. It is produced from smoked malt, dark around 5% alcohol by volume. The new style, steam beer, is a trademark of Anchor Steam Beer Brewery of San Francisco. Beer in this brewery is made by bottom fermentation at high temperatures in a wide and shallow vessel. Here is the image of Vienna beer, Marzen beer, and Rauch beer. Understand what all faults is there in beer. Beer faults can be attributed to poor cellar management. Following are the common reasons for the poor quality of beer. The first one is a dispensing system of dirty beer can cause faults in beer. Next one is failure to clean the beer lines with water after every empty barrel. With this, failure to draw off the beer which is left in a pipes after the operation. Again, the failure to leave water in the beer lines like overnight. There will be, if it is poor sanitary condition of the bar, definitely it will lead to the faults in beer. And a warm temperature also can lead to the faulty beer with the greasy glasses. If there is a high fluctuation in the temperatures, then definitely there will be a fault in beer. beer, which is a fault in beer. How the sour beer is happen, let us understand. Deposits of yeast in the pipes and dispensing equipment will lead to the sour beer. Then next is adding stale beer to a fresh cask of beer also will lead to a sour beer. Next is not exhausting the beer on time and exposing the beer to a heavy fluctuation of temperature plus exposed to a heavy lighting will lead to a sour beer. Salt in a beer is cloudy beer. How the cloudy beer can be possible? Let us understand. When it is stored in a very low temperature, when it is unclean or poorly clean pipes are there, and when we are trying to pull the beer from the cask before removing the spile, will lead to the cloudy beer. Flat beer. Poor or faulty spile control, having a soft spile when hard pile is needed. If there is a too low a temperature is there, then only definitely flat beer is possible. And when it is served in a greasy glass or pour and left in the glass for a long time will lead to a flat beer. Different bodies when it is present in the beer will lead to the faults in beer, and which is definitely possible during a production air, and such kind of beer definitely it is refused by the guest. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic though the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. For watching this video, if you have any kind of query or question related with this video, please do contact me. Thank you. Have a great time. Find below mentioned references for this video.